Fuck it, we're doing this again. Oh shit, the horn's going off. Oh shit. Oh shit. Tornado drill. Oh shit, it's scary. Very scary. Don't let anything happen. Let's go. Punt it. Oh my god, give me the ball back. Oh my god. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Don't try no fucking trick shit on me now. That'd be crazy. Oh, shout out Devin Duvernay. We haven't seen him all day. Oof.
Punt team is on now, and they get this away.
Alright, Devin Duvernay. Oh, well. We had to do something with Duvernay, man. We haven't seen him. We haven't seen him. Oh, he wants me to run? Well, we're going to do a little play action. Or should I run?
Drive starts out with a 1st and 10.
I mean, I only got 14 seconds. I do want to kick a field goal.
To throw.
Alright. Alright. What do I do here? Scary, man. Scary.
Here he is to throw. Escapes the pocket. He's on the move.
Oh shit. Alright, call a timeout. Come on. Hail Mary time.
The Jaguars are going to call their first timeout.
Oh, well.
Available for them as we approach the end of this game.
Field goal would have been nice.
Set up at the 35 now.
Wow.
Back to throw. Flush down out to his left.
We're getting this Aaron Rodgers Hail Mary here. Oh no, that's a pick. Oh, I just knew. I just knew. Oh, overtime, here we come. Oh shit, please. Please get this coin flip. Oh, I don't even know the rules of overtime. Oh, good shit. Give me that. Oh shit. Scary. Scary. I'm just gonna run the ball. Slow and steady. That's fun.
Hopefully this conclusion will be just as exciting as our opening.
Oh, Washington, you've got this.
This one's fielded at the 4-yard line.
Alright.
And a decent
Alright.
return ends as they bring him down inside the 30.
Telling me. Holy shit. Alright. We've got this. Oh, I think they're prepared for the run, but so am I. Come on. Ah! I hit the lineman. That's always the worst. Oh. Alright, we got 2. Oh, he almost jumped. He's not shifty enough. God damn it.